Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching with me, Mr. Donald. Well, in this video, I'm going to explain you about how to use there is in simple present tense, and there was in simple past tense, and there were in simple past tense. Well, there is followed by singular in simple present tense, but in simple past tense we use there was. And then there were is followed by plural, and it is used in simple past tense. Well, to make it clear, I have a short story using there is, there was, and there were. And to improve your speaking skill, you must listen to me carefully and try to memorize, because after that I'm going to ask you some question about the story. Please listen to me carefully and repeat. There is a race in our town every year. Last year there was a big race. My wife and I were at the race. There were 20 cars at the race. My friends Bill and Jimmy were at the race too. Well, it was an exciting finish. The winner was Billy Stewart. Well, he was in the car number 15. On the way home, my wife said to me, "Don't drive so quickly. You are not Billy Stewart." Well, it's clear, right? Do you still remember? Well, you must listen to me carefully and repeat. Please repeat after me, in order that you can speak fluently and you can reproduce your conversation with your friends. Now, please listen and repeat. There is a car race every year near our town. Last year there was a big race. My wife and I were at the race. My friend Bill and Jimmy were also at the race. There were 20 cars at the race. It was an exciting finish. The winner was Billy Stewart. He was in car number 15. On the way home, my wife said to me, "Don't drive so quickly. You are not Billy Stewart." Well, do you still remember the story? Now please answer my questions. Who was the winner at the race? And what number was he? How many cars were there at the race? Were my friends at the race too? What were my friends' names? What did my wife say to me on the way home? The last question, was it an exciting finish? Alright, I hope you can reproduce conversation using the topic, and you should have partners to practice your conversation. Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.